Hi, welcome to the Sharesight channel. In this video, I'll do a quick walkthrough on how to use the calendar report. The calendar features helps you keep tabs on all your investment income. We are talking about dividends, distributions, and interest payments. It puts everything in one clear date-ordered view so you can easily track, confirm, and even estimate what money is coming your way. You can find the report under the performance section. When you open the calendar, the first thing you will see is the total income that is expected for each date. If there are multiple payments that fall under the same date, you can click on that specific date to get the breakdown of each income transaction. The summary section shows the total monthly net income and is categorized by payment status. You have the option to filter the calendar by payment status. You can filter the calendar to show paid, pending, announced, and estimated income. For example, if you want to reconcile dividends that you have received recently, you can apply the filter to only show paid income. To confirm a payout, click on the date with a payment, select the specific income transaction, then click Review Transaction. When you have reviewed all the details, click Save and Confirm. If you want to know how much income you will receive for the remainder of the month, you can apply the filter to show the pending and announced income. Knowing this is also a great tool to plan your monthly cash flow for the month ahead. Knowing those payment dates makes it so much easier to figure out how and when to reinvest that money. Finally, let's look at navigation. The calendar is organized in a monthly view. The left-right button quickly lets you move to the previous month or the months ahead. If you want to jump to a specific month, you can select the month and year from the drop-down. Clicking Today will bring you back to today's date. That's it for now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on our social at Sharesight to stay up to date with all of our latest product updates. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on the comments down below or through our website, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.